a snowman.
A snowman? Wow!
Do you want to help me?
Caillou thought that was a great idea, even though he didn't know exactly how to make a snowman.
Yes!
Why don't you start making the head? I'll make his body.
Okay. Gonna make a snowman, gonna make a snowman. I can do that. Hey! Oof. I can't do it. I hate making the snowman.
How's the head coming along, Caillou?
I can't make it.
You can't? Don't worry, I'll show you how. We're going to make the biggest snowman in the world.
The biggest snowman in the world?
In the universe. I think that snowball is big enough. Let's make new ones.
Oh!
First, you have to make a tiny snowball. See?
Caillou liked having Sarah to show him what to do.
Oh. A snowball!
You did it! Hey! Stop!
But Caillou wouldn't stop. Sarah didn't think the game was funny anymore.
Fine. If you don't want to make a snowman, I'm leaving.
No, stay, please! I want to make a snowman with you.
Now look, it's easy.
I'm finished.
All right, let's put our snowman together. We have to put it on top of this one. Are you ready? I think it will hold. Now we need a head. That's your snowball.
Okay.
Hi, kids. I have a surprise for you. Look in the bag.
A carrot?
We can use it to make the snowman's nose.
Wow.
The bag was full of great surprises. And very soon the snowman had a big smile on his face.
I have something else. Let's see if it fits.
Look, Sarah, he's beautiful.
And he's the biggest snowman in the universe.
Wonderful. Now, how about coming inside for a snack?
Wait!
What's this?
It's a snowball.
No, it's a snack for the snowman.